All right, welcome back. This is another training video from moi, Lloyd Ross, on social media for network marketing. Okay, it's basic social media training, and the basic training we learned many years ago, we still do it over and over again. It doesn't get much different because it's based on principles of marketing. Okay, so the platform or the medium doesn't make a difference. Okay, if you understand the basic principles of marketing, it doesn't matter if you're on social media, on email, on text message, TV, radio, it's very much the same, okay? But social media is the best for the reasons I'm going to explain in a second, over and above the fact that it's free. So I'm going to explain to you how social media marketing works so that you understand the concepts behind why you're doing what you're doing when it comes to social media, okay? And a lot of people have said to me, oh, I don't like social media. Well, the ones that say that, they've never actually owned a business before. And what I mean by that is that in the old days of business, before social media, we had to pay for every single lead. I mean, you either had to go door to door, door knocking, which is brutal, or you had to go telemarketing, which is brutal. Okay, cold calling. God, who wants to do that? Or you had to, go into schools and organizations, into their staff rooms, and do a presentation, which I've done. I've done all that stuff, and so I tell you, having social media is not only easier, but it's free. So if you were a business owner before, you had to put ads in Yellow Pages, you had to hire telemarketers to do your stuff, you had to pay for magazine advertising, TV advertising, radio. That's challenging and it's very expensive. So welcome to the 21st century where social media is free. I want you to be grateful for this because having a free advertising platform that you can advertise your stories of your product is insane. I mean, it's never happened before. So please try and be grateful for social media. And if you embrace it and learn how to use it properly, which I'm going to teach you now, it's going to serve you. Don't let it, control you, let it serve you. Okay. So yeah, I mean, embrace it because it's such a big part of your business, or any business now for that matter. Now, remember our family business, it was saved by social media. It was a traditional business and it's been saved by social media. So I got a lot of respect for it. So how does it work? How does social media work? Let me break it down for you. It's really simple. Okay, I'm going to use a different color here. These videos are going to be hopefully pretty short too, so you can get through them. So, okay, imagine I'm going to use Facebook for this example. Okay, Facebook's still the biggest and best social media platform in the world. Okay, it's the biggest. Okay, but this works on this is the principles I'm teaching here are the same on other platforms as well. Okay, so pretend that your Facebook is like a cinema. Okay, so there's the cinema screen here. All right, and in a cinema, of course, you've got seats. Okay, now in the seats are people. All right, so I'm going to draw the heads of people here. Just going to do it quickly. I'm not going to draw lots of them, but these are people. Okay, remember I failed art school, so I want you to remember that and forgive me. But these are people, people's heads. Okay, in the seating. Now on Facebook, for example, if this is the seating, all right, and these are people, then you can actually seat up to 5,000 people in your Facebook because you're allowed up to 5,000 friends on Facebook. Okay, so imagine your Facebook cinema and you can sit 5,000 people in these seats for free. You own the cinema. Many of you have 200 friends on Facebook or 300 friends only. Okay, but your cinema seats 5,000. So why wouldn't you want to fill the seats up? Okay, if you're going to build a network marketing business, okay, and you know that these people are going to watch the screen, I'm going to come to that in a second, you'd want to fill this up. Okay, so for the time being, let's say you've got 200 or 300 friends on Facebook, they're in your cinema. Okay, they're watching what you're posting. Okay, so the screen is what you post. The screen is what you post. All right, now for the most part, just like a Hollywood movie, it's going to be a story, and the story is of your life. Okay, so you're going to post lifestyle, what you're up to. Okay, you might do a few lifestyle posts. Hey, this is us walking the dog. This is us out jogging. We just did a 6K run. This is us being healthy. This is us with the kids, whatever. All right, you might do a few of those posts. That's telling the story of your life. That's your movie reel that you're rolling. Okay, now when you roll those out, guess what happens? The guys in the seats, their eyeballs are on that story. They're on it. They're watching it. People consume social media like more than television, okay? So you're running your own TV show in front of their eyeballs. So your 200 friends here, as you post your lifestyle on social media, they're seeing it. And that's how you build your brand. You build your brand by what you post in your lifestyle. So if Alicia posts a lot about working out at F45, or she posts a lot about Chili, our little dog, our little sausage dog, and she posts about family, everyone knows her brand is working out and fitness and dogs and family. Okay, now I know that her brand is strong because people tag her and stuff with sausage dogs. So you can build your brand about whatever it is you love in your lifestyle. If you love sports, post about sport. You love money, post about money. You love investing, post about. You love cats, post about whatever. Okay, they're your lifestyle posts. So you get to post them. Now you do about 4 lifestyle posts a week. Doesn't need to be a lot. You can do 4 lifestyle posts a week. Okay, and your audience eyeballs will be on those posts. Okay, remember, everything you post, a lot of your audience will see it. Okay, not all of them because of the algorithm, but a lot will see it. So there's 4 posts for the week. It's just your lifestyle. Okay, in green. Now, in a movie cinema, everyone's engrossed in the movie, the story that's going to be played. Okay, and you're telling the story. But guess what? Cinema advertisers make a lot of money because what do? They put an advertisement, okay, in there. Now I'm going to choose yellow. So you put an advertisement. Now in your story, you post an ad. Guess what your ad is? It's your before and after photo. Okay, it's your transformation photo. It's your transformation story. It doesn't even have to be before and after. It can be, hey, these are my results from the program I'm using. Okay. Hey, this is my I made $100 in my side hustle this week, and I took my husband for dinner. How cool is that? It's an advertisement for either the products, okay, as in like the program, the health program, or it's an advertisement for the side hustle. Okay, whatever it is, it's the same. It's just you get to post this advertisement up in front of your audience's faces or eyeballs, okay, and they respond. So if you were to post up your story, your before and after photo, and a story with it, guess what happens? Yes, your audience sees it, and some will respond, some will engage. They'll say, hey, what's the program you're using? Tell me more. You're inspiring, amazing, well done, okay? And there's all these likes and love hearts on it too, okay? Cool. So here's the thing. If you're allowed to advertise like that, free of charge, not weird advertising, there's no mention of products, there's no spamming, there's no gross links, and nothing like that. It's just a picture, because a picture tells 1,000 words, your story that goes with it, so some writing, and you're done. That's advertising. That's marketing. Marketing is just storytelling in front of an audience about how you were one time, you use this amazing program, and how you are now. Marketing is just changing people's beliefs, and you do it through storytelling. So if you've got an audience or a network, okay, this is why it's called network marketing, because you've got a network down here of the people, and then you're marketing to them. That's network marketing. It's as simple as that, okay? So here in network marketing, what do? How do you become successful at it? Really easy, okay? You grow your network, okay? So you grow your audience, you increase the number of people sitting in your cinema. Now, if I were you, I would try and accumulate 5,000 friends on Facebook, because it means you're growing your network, which means you're growing the eyeballs that are going to see your posts. The bigger your network, the more people are going to watch your story, and the more are going to see your advertising, which means the more you're going to be able to reach out to, are going to reach out to you. Now, what's cool about that is that you can actually go online, okay? You can go into a Facebook group, and you can talk to people in the Facebook group about cats or about dogs, whatever it is you love in your lifestyle. You can be in a Facebook group of something you're interested in, and you can start talking to people in there, okay? Guess what they're going to do? They're going to find common ground with you. You're going to have a conversation like a normal human being, and they're probably going to add you on Facebook as a friend, especially if you're adding value in that group. You're giving your opinion, you're giving some advice, you're talking to people in that group, they're going to add you as a friend, and boom, whooshka, they're going to be joining in your cinema. And guess what they're going to see? They're going to see your lifestyle posts. They're going to see your advertisement. They're going to see your stories being posted, your before and after. They're going to see your transformation. They're going to see stories of someone else you've helped. to get a transformation. Hey, this is my friend Mary. She started the program after she saw my results, and these are her results before and after. If you like some more information, Mary gets all these shout outs, and it positions you as the guy that helps people get results. And your audience sees that, okay? So let's not get too complicated here. There's 2 parts to network marketing. Number 1, build your network. Now, if you meet someone face to face and you meet a friend, okay, now all of you know how to make friends because I know you went to school and I know you have work colleagues, you made friends at some point, okay? Now you try to make friends offline. So the cool thing about this is you can either meet people online and add them to your cinema, okay, to create your 5,000 friends, or you can meet them offline at the gym and you can add them to your Facebook friends list. Meet them offline, add them online. Meet them online, add them online. The idea is to build your network to 5,000, okay? Fill your cinema with eyeballs of people who are similar to you that like the same stuff. There's common ground, there's trust there. You build rapport, you build trust, you build likability. And guess what? When they see one of these, they reach out, okay? Now, even if they don't reach out from seeing these, you can actually message them your transformation. Say, hey, listen, I know you've been following me for a bit. I know we spoke more about dogs before, but I just finished this transformation. I lost 10 kilos with this. I'm just curious, do you know anyone who's looking to lose weight this summer? What are they going to say? Me. Then you can do the next part, okay, which is to add and tag and follow up. You remember, you add them to our group, you tag them in the webinar, and then you follow them up, okay? This is all marketing is, guys. So social media is really like 4 lifestyle posts a week, okay? 1 or 2 transformation posts of you or someone else a week, and then maybe, okay, a post about your side hustle and what that particular income has allowed you to do for that particular week, okay? It's called a power post. I'm so grateful for that. I earned $200 in my side hustle this week because it's allowed me to go out with my partner and pay for dinner. We never get to do that. I love having a side income. Boom, okay? That's also an advertisement, okay? And guess what? Your audience sees that too. So they either see your transformation, okay, and go, hey, I'd like some information about that, or they see you earning extra income and they go, hey, I'd like to learn more about that. The 2 stories or advertisements you run are health transformations from our products or income transformations from our compensation plan. Okay, they're the 2 main advertisements you run, and the lifestyle that you run, the story you run on your cinema screen every single week is the things you love to do. Your life. Okay, people are interested in your life, your story. So be unique to you. But the key to this is obviously you can see there's 7 posts there. You've got to post once a day on social media, okay? And remember, if they say, wow, what is this? I want some, please help me. What is it? Yes, I'm interested. Yes, I know someone. Yes, yes, yes. Please tell me about it. Remember, all you do at that point, okay, when you're adding people to your network and they're seeing your stuff and they reach out or you're talking to them and they're interested, you just say, listen, let me add you to our group, our information group, and I'll tag you in the welcome post, okay? And then I'll tag you in the webinar, okay? Now that would work if you want to get them started for the product, so they're interested in that. You add them to the Rediscover You Facebook group, tag them in the welcome post, tag them in the webinar. Okay, that's a horrible square, but yep. And if they're interested in the income opportunity, you tag them in the Side Hustle Secret group, welcome post. Hey, welcome. Click on the link, and then you tag them in the couple of videos there. Okay, and that does all the selling for you. Okay, that does the selling. See, in network marketing, we don't do any selling. We do networking, which is building your audience, and we do marketing, which is putting advertisements up in front of their eyeballs and telling a story in front of their eyeballs to change their beliefs, okay? To hook them, to get them interested in something. That's network marketing. Sales is different. Sales is where you're taking a prospect who's shown some interest and you're converting them to a customer. That's sales. Now, the cool thing about our system is it does the selling for you. You don't have to be a salesperson. In fact, it's better if you aren't, okay? So don't worry about selling. If you're telling, if someone comments to you and you're telling, it means you're selling. And if you're selling in network marketing, you won't be successful, okay? So do not sell. If someone's interested, you just outsource it and say, listen, let me tag in this video. It's going to do all the information explaining for me or for you because I can't do it. then let me know what you want to do. Okay, once they say I want to get started, you know what to do. You go to your app, you send them a link, and they enroll, and you get paid. Okay, this is why social media is powerful. Now, here's the coolest thing. You get to take those stories and those advertisements. You can put it on Facebook. You can put it on Instagram. You can put it on LinkedIn. You can send emails. You can broadcast it through WhatsApp to your whole phone, Facebook, your whole phone list. Okay, you can text message it. You can, if you're in person, okay, this is how cool this is. Let's say you're in person and you've got a network and you're catching up like at a birthday party and someone says, hey, what have you been up to? You can take your phone. You can say, hey, look at my transformation. That's the yellow one. It's an advertisement. Check that out, man. This is what I achieved last month. They go, oh my God, that's amazing. How'd you do that? You go, hey, listen, I got to add you to the group. It's going to explain it all for you. Okay. So whether you're in person, whether you're on social media, you can use these principles. Okay. I hope that makes sense. Remember, there's there's 2 main steps in network marketing. 1, build your network, build your audience. 2, post content and engage in other people's content as well. Okay. And obviously step 3, outsource the sale. Don't do the selling. Okay. Let the system do the selling for you. Hope that makes sense. That is what we do with social media all the time, every day. It doesn't have to be more complicated than that. Naturally, you can get really good at writing posts and writing sales copy and photos and stuff. You get better and better and better as you go. But the only way to learn is by doing. Okay, you have to model me, model Alicia, model your upline. Okay, model other people, follow other people, model how they write. Okay, there is a method to it. I'm going to teach you in one of the other videos. It's coming up. It's called Hook Story Offer. Super effective and simple. But remember, you're going to learn by doing. So get out there, make a mess. You're not going to be great at this when you first start. The key is to keep going and going and going and going. Okay. So I hope that makes sense, and I'll see you on one of the next videos.